I went on a road trip with my kids, who've been wanting to visit a beautiful white beach somewhere down this island. It's a place new to us and completely relied on Google Maps to lead us there. It's my first time doing it with my children. Stopped over a little to stretch and enjoy every moment we could. I love doing silly things with my boys. And we would stop over at some nice spots we found along our way. The journey is the destination. My kids explore with me, and I'm so glad they've learned this from me. I think they're going to grow up enjoying the journey of every trip. And then we got lost somewhere in the mountains, which took our breath away. They've heard their own echoes as we screamed at the top of our lungs, and they were amazed by it. And finally, we arrived at this stunning white beach, perhaps the most beautiful beach we've ever been to. It's so beautiful, it looks like a virgin island, and we had this beach to ourselves. And how lucky we had been. My free-spirited self was fired up when I first moved to the countryside. It's as if I've been awakened from a deep longing to explore and immerse myself in nature. I've received criticisms for how I choose to live my life because it's different from the norm, and sometimes it makes you question yourself. But then I am reminded that no matter what we do, we will always be criticized for it. So why not live a life that speaks to you and that is true for you? Do you remember how money does not change a person, but it only reveals one's character? It magnifies who you already are. And I laughed at the thought that if I have all the money in the world, that I probably could never be found. Kidding aside, I would definitely be going after the kind of life I've always envisioned for myself and my family. Hey, it's been a while, right? I know. Hi. I haven't been able to upload for such a long time, and I know that. And I'm honestly here to let you know that I'm not entirely pausing this channel. I made a decision to just upload a video per month just to keep this channel alive. It's not because I don't want to be doing this. I love filming, I love creating and putting words together and delivering that message through a creative, video. But given the circumstance that we have much smaller space now, generally it takes me much more time to find a spot where to film compared to the previous place. I just really have to be honest with myself that it's just not as easy as it used to be in the past. Anyway, I'm here to promote my other channel. I created a new one just because I think that it's more manageable for me to just film nature and create nature sounds and music, which you can use for sleeping, meditation, when you're studying, or when you just want to change the mood in your space into something more relaxing and peaceful. I've put the name and the link in the description box below, so feel me there. I'm still here. I know I have some subscribers and followers that are patiently waiting for my videos. I'm so sorry. I'm not giving up on this channel. I love doing this. I'm looking forward for the time when I would be really able to focus on this. So yeah, that's all I want to say. I'll see you again soon.